Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency, stocks, or any asset for that matter, there's typically a direct correlation between the amount of people that are searching for an asset and the price of that asset. For example, if Terra Luna Classic is the asset in discussion, which of course it is, if more people are searching for Terra Luna Classic, the price is moving higher. Or if the price is moving higher, more people in theory would be searching for Terra Luna Classic to understand what's going on and whether or not they should be buying it. If the price is moving down or if the price is sideways, less people are typically searching for Terra Luna Classic or whatever asset we're naming for that matter. Now, we've seen somewhat of a phenomenon going on with Terra Luna Classic, and it deserves discussing because this could show that we've essentially, even though the price may be going down, we may have found the Terra Luna Classic community that is going to stick it out through this bear market and absolutely thrive during the bull market, and why we could reach even higher highs than we did before. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is getting each $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, we've got some very interesting numbers to go over. Okay, we're going to be looking at trends.google.com. We're going to be looking at the price action on Terra Luna Classic and in kind of drawing or deriving an indirect correlation that we don't typically see. Now, we know that if you look at a weekly chart for Terra Luna Classic, you can see that back at the end of August 2022, beginning of September, we had a beautiful peak of around 60,000 points per coin. Nearly a 10x increase from where we are right now. Now, of course, since then, we have been coming down in price and coming down steadily and drastically. From the 60,000 points per coin, we are currently sitting at around 8,900 or 9,000 points per coin, and that does fluctuate between 8,000 and 9,000 points per coin there. But nonetheless, it has been a very steep and steady decline since that peak just a couple of months ago. Now, let's compare this to the social media statistics and how many people are searching for Terra Luna Classic out there. So if you go out to trends.google.com, you can see that the amount of search volume peaked for Terra Luna Classic back when the price peaked on Terra Luna Classic. That's expected. Okay? There was a lot of interest back in May of 2022. What's going on? Why is Terra Luna Classic falling the way that it is? Technically that was an indirect correlation, yes, because the price was going down and search volume was going up. But it was drastic, right? People wanted to know what the heck was going on. Why is this multi-billion-dollar asset losing billions of dollars? And of course, it's one of the things that turned this bear market into a bear market winter. So after that beginning of September peak of 100, quickly, Terra Luna Classic dropped off to search volume in November of around 17. Now, 17, this is in relative to all of the other search volume for this specific topic. So what it means is basically 17% of all of the people that were there at the beginning of September remained in November. Think about that. 17% remained just 1 month later. Everybody else had left. Now, if you go out to the price, in November, you were seeing prices of around 25,000 to 28,000 points per coin. 25,000 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic is much, much higher than where we are right now. Clearly sitting around that 9,000 level. It's about 3 times higher than where we are right now. But search volume remains fluctuating between about 12 and 17. So this is telling us that since that initial run-up, the Terra Luna Classic community, of course you had traders coming in, of course you had people when the all-time high was being reached on Terra Luna Classic just wondering what was going on. But the lunatics, those that were here for the run, remain nearly in full numbers at this point in time, even though the price is being devastated, and even though the price of Terra Luna Classic has been doing nothing but moving lower over the last couple of months. If you look at the social media statistics, you can see it bouncing between levels of 12 and levels of roughly 17 to 18 from November all the way through May. Now that is an incredible indicator that this community is here to stay. That is an incredible indicator that the price action is not causing people to leave. That is an incredible indicator that those of us that have remained in Terra Luna Classic will remain in Terra Luna Classic despite a crypto winter, despite macroeconomic concerns, despite regulatory uncertainty, despite Do Kwon going to prison, getting bail, all of these other things, being on trial, and everything that this Terra Luna Classic community has gone through, it has been obvious that it has remained, and the interest in Terra Luna Classic has remained as well. So the fact that we've necessarily bottomed, we could see new money flow in as soon as that price ticks up a little bit. And that new money flowing in could cause interest to tick up even higher. And then the FOMO cycle begins. Guys, we've got a lot to look forward to. Terra Luna Classic continues to develop every day and every week. The community seems like it is the community that is going to stick around. And as soon as, and this part I do not know, as soon as bull market sentiment starts to creep back into the cryptocurrency space, we could be on the brink of something amazing with this Terra Luna Classic community and this Terra Luna Classic blockchain that continues to grow every single day. Now, I know that this is a little bit of a different perspective, and it doesn't have anything to do with proposals or anything like that, but you typically don't see price action stagnant, but the community remaining. So I want to know what you guys think about this down in the comments below, because I think this is an incredibly bullish sign, not necessarily for the price, but definitely for the community and those that are committed to the long-term growth of Terra Luna Classic. So what do you think? Let us know down there, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.